What if I told you that within the next decade, you could have your very own humanoid robot, not just cleaning your house, but cooking your meals, reminding you to exercise, and even chatting with you when you feel lonely? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, this isn't some far-off fantasy anymore. The race to build the perfect home robot is already happening. Companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and 1X Technologies are working overtime to make humanoid robots a part of your daily life. So, are these robots really ready to move in with us? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of humanoid robots. And trust me, you'll want to know what's coming next. And hey, if you love exploring futuristic tech like this, make sure to subscribe to NotSoTechie and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to NotSoTechie. We're dedicated to exploring the latest and greatest in technology and scientific breakthroughs. Our mission? To make the world of tech accessible to everyone by breaking down complex topics in a straightforward, easy-to-understand videos. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for us. All right, let's jump into it. Today, we're stepping into a future that's right at our doorstep. The rise of humanoid robots in our homes. Robots helping out around the house isn't a brand new idea. But until now, home robots were simple gadgets, like the Roomba vacuum cleaner. Today's humanoid robots? They're on a whole new level. These machines walk like us, talk like us, and even understand our emotions. But can they really fit into our daily lives? Let's find out. To understand how we got here, let's rewind a bit. The dream of home robots started in science fiction, with characters like Rosie from the Jetsons or C-3PO from Star Wars. Back then, it seemed like pure imagination. In 2002, the Roomba made history by becoming the first practical home robot, even though all it did was vacuum floors. It was basic, but it showed the world what was possible. Now, we're seeing robots like Neo from 1X Technologies, a humanoid that learns from its surroundings and helps with everyday tasks like folding laundry, cooking, and even cleaning up messes. This evolution from simple vacuum cleaners to full-on humanoid assistants is thanks to massive leaps in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced sensors, all working together to make these robots smarter and more capable. Let's clear this up. What makes a humanoid robot different from all those smart gadgets we already have? A humanoid robot is a machine specifically designed to look and move like a human, so it can live and work comfortably in spaces built for people. With arms, legs, and a body structure similar to ours, these robots can navigate your kitchen, climb stairs, and even open cabinets. On the tech side, they're equipped with cameras, LiDAR sensors, natural language processing capabilities, and advanced AI decision-making. This combination lets them see their environment, understand your voice commands, and even adapt when unexpected things happen, like your dog leaving toys all over the floor. The competition to dominate the home robot market is heating up fast. Tesla is working on Optimus, a humanoid robot designed for both factory work and home use. Tesla hopes to make Optimus affordable enough for regular families by 2030. Boston Dynamics, famous for their athletic and highly mobile robots like Atlas, is also experimenting with household applications. Their expertise in movement could make future home robots far more agile than anything we've seen before. 1X Technologies, in collaboration with OpenAI, is focusing on building robots that don't just follow instructions, but can actually understand human emotions and social cues. This emotional intelligence could make them more helpful and less awkward around people. Aptronic is taking a different route, creating modular humanoid robots that can be customized for different jobs, from warehouse work to house chores. Figure AI is all in on domestic robots, designing machines meant specifically for cooking, cleaning, and organizing your home. Finally, Engineered Arts is pushing the boundaries of realism with a mecha, a robot known for its hyper-realistic facial expressions and human-like communication skills. So what can these robots actually do at home? If you had a humanoid robot living with you, what would its day look like? First, there's cleaning. These robots could handle everything from vacuuming and mopping floors to washing windows and sorting laundry. Next comes security. Robots could patrol your home at night, checking for intruders or even keeping an eye on doors and windows. They could also act as personal assistants, reminding you of appointments, finding misplaced items, or even suggesting what to cook for dinner based on what's in your fridge. For those who live alone, robots could provide much-needed companionship, offering conversation, entertainment, or just someone or something to talk to. In terms of healthcare, these robots could monitor your well-being, remind you to take medications, and even detect falls or sudden health issues. Some companies are even looking at educational uses where robots help kids with homework or teach hands-on science lessons. With so much potential, why wouldn't we all want one? Well, it's a mix of pros and cons. On the bright side, robots could save families hours of work every week by taking over repetitive chores. They could make homes safer by identifying hazards, like a stove left on, before anyone notices. For elderly residents, they could be a game changer, allowing people to stay independent longer with constant robotic assistance. But there are challenges too. What happens to human jobs, like housekeepers and caregivers, if robots take over? And what about technical failures? If your robot breaks down mid-cooking, who steps in? Privacy is another concern. These robots will collect huge amounts of personal data just to do their jobs, from your schedules to your habits, and even the way you talk. And then there's the price tag. Early models could easily cost $50,000 or more, making them out of reach for most families. Finally, there's the big ethical question. Should robots be treated like appliances, pets, or even family members? What do people actually think about robots? Public opinions about home robots are surprisingly mixed. Older adults tend to love the idea of robots taking over physical chores and offering daily assistance. Younger people, on the other hand, are more interested in robots that work behind the scenes, integrating with smart home systems to automate lighting, shopping, and entertainment. One interesting finding? Most people still see robots as tools rather than companions. Very few are ready to treat a robot like a child or a family member. If you're excited about bringing home a humanoid robot someday, you can actually start preparing right now. First, declutter your floors. Robots work best when they have clear, open paths to move around. Next, label storage areas so your robot knows where things go, whether it's groceries, clothes, or cleaning supplies. You'll also want to set up charging stations in convenient spots, since robots will need to recharge regularly. And finally, integrate your smart home devices so your robot can seamlessly work with your fridge, lights, thermostat, and even your security system. So, are humanoid robots ready to take over our homes? Not quite yet, but we're closer than ever. Within the next 5 to 10 years, robots could become as common as smartphones. The real question is, will you trust a machine to cook your dinner, fold your clothes, or even tuck you in at night? Let us know in the comments. If you found this deep dive interesting, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to NotSoTechie, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our futuristic tech updates. And if you're curious about more mind-blowing innovations, check out our playlist on AI and robotics. There's plenty more where this came from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.